Unlocking the mystery, slip into eternity, explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. We're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, slip into eternity, and how you can use it in your conversations. This expression is rich in imagery and connotation, making it a perfect example of the beauty and depth of the English language. So, let's unravel its mystery together. Slip into eternity is a poetic and somewhat philosophical phrase. To slip implies a gentle, gradual, or sudden movement into another state or condition, often without intention. Eternity refers to an infinite or unending time, often associated with life after death or a timeless state. Combined, the phrase can signify passing away or transitioning from life to an afterlife, highlighting the imperceptible and seamless nature of such a transition. Literal interpretation. In its most literal sense, to slip into eternity means to die. It's a euphemism that softens the harshness of talking about death, suggesting a peaceful transition rather than an abrupt end. Figurative use. Figuratively, the phrase can be used to describe losing oneself in a moment or experience that feels timeless or eternal. It can describe moments of profound contemplation, deep meditation, or being absorbed in nature or love, where time seems to stand still. 1. Literature and poetry. As the hero breathed his last breath, he slipped into eternity, leaving his earthly troubles behind. 2. Everyday conversation. Standing atop the mountain, watching the endless horizon, I felt as though I could slip into eternity. 3. Philosophical discussion. In our quest for meaning, we sometimes slip into eternity, pondering the mysteries of existence beyond our temporal concerns. Writing and speech. Use this phrase to add depth and emotion when discussing life, death, or profound experiences. Cultural and contextual awareness. Understand that its use might be more appropriate in creative, philosophical, or introspective discussions rather than casual conversations. We hope this exploration of slip into eternity has illuminated its meaning and how it encapsulates the profound transition between life and what lies beyond, or moments that defy the constraints of time. English is filled with such expressions that challenge and enrich our understanding. Keep learning and using these phrases to deepen your connection with the language and its ability to express the inexpressible. Until next time, happy learning!